Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook a lovely roast potato. Very tasty and delicious. Accompany with some seasonal veg. You can use whatever veg you choose to. But this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome and I'm pleased to have you. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment. Let's go into the video now. Stay tuned. So here I have some potato. I'm just using about 4 potato. It should be all right for me. So I'm using 4 potato. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the skin off. You can use a paring knife, it's personal preference. With these potato, just gonna cut them. You can cut them in the shape you want them. So I'm just gonna cut them like so. Have a pot here. Just gonna put them in a pot. Put a bit of sea salt over it. Water. So while this is on the fire, just gonna prepare some veg. So I'm gonna use about 2 carrots. So with these, you can just cut them in the shape you want them. So here I have some Brussels sprouts, but I'm just gonna trim them up a bit. Just take off the rough edge off them. So I'm gonna test the potato. Yeah, so that's good to go. So I'm just gonna strain it off in this. So now I'm gonna set this aside. So this water that we cook the potato in. I'm going to use it, just put it back in here. Don't throw it away. You just put your veg in and then put it back on the fire. So here, I'm going to put on top of the flame a baking tray. And I'm going to show you what you're going to do with it. Add yourself some oil. Because without oil or goose fat, you don't have any roast potato. So I'm just warming this up a bit. Just rotating it for the oil to get hot. So as you see, it's getting hot. Let's take your roast potato, put him straight on it. And if you want, just add a little bit of salt for the time being until you reach the end. Bit of pepper. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video of any help to you guys, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. So now I'm going to put it straight in the oven. So now, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do to season my potato and veg, I have some thyme. You can use rosemary if you want. You know, just follow my lead. With this, you won't go wrong. You'll see what I do with this. It's going to be delicious, very interesting. Let me just quickly take these off. These, you don't need these in it. Yeah, so I'm going to chop these up a bit, along with some spring onion. Yeah, so just get them in like this. But we're still not done yet. I'm going to put it in my mortar here. I'm going to get some Himalaya salt. Season my potato and the veg. So in this, I'm going to put some bit of butter. Get your veg, pour them straight in. Then you put about a spoon on that. So now you have your vegetables, all nice, herby, full of flavor. Just get a bowl, put them in. So don't throw this away. I'm gonna take the potato out now. Now the rest of the herbs, let's put them all over. So just give him a bit of toss. So now get your bowl and just put him straight in. Look at that. And there you have your delicious herb potatoes. Look how delicious this is. Look at this. Delicious.